Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a product review. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I colored my hair. I lightened it up a bit more. Yeah, I actually ended up putting highlights. I actually ended up going to my daughter's hairstylist. My daughter puts highlights on her hair, and I really like how she's been doing my daughter's hair. So I'm like, oh, you need to recommend me to her. So I ended up going, and I really like how she did my highlights. Came out so nice. I like them. Hope you guys like them too. All right, so the product review I'm going to be doing is with Artist Couture, and I'm going to be reviewing his latest eyeshadow palette, the Ethereal Bloom and the Epiphany Diamond Lights Finisher. So I came across both of these products through my Instagram feed, and that's usually how I come across new products. So we'll be looking at the packaging, looking at some of the swatches, and then definitely do a makeup look just to give the product a test run, see how the formula performs, and yeah, and then at the end I'll give you my thoughts and comments on the performance or overall what I thought about the products. So if that interests you, then stick around. All right, so just before we get started, in case if you're curious about this eyeshadow look here, I did film this tutorial. It's going to be coming up pretty soon. I made it with two other looks using the Kylie Jenner Leopard collection. So keep an eye out if you're liking how this look came out. So you can see the other two looks along with it. And there will be a product review on that collection as well coming up. All right, so let's talk about the packaging on this palette. Oh my God, it is so pretty. Look at the detail work on this palette. The colors, the background, I mean, it just screams out angelic to me. And it definitely screams out pastel colors. I mean, there's just something about the packaging that just, I think like that is the very first eye catcher. And they did a wonderful, wonderful job on this packaging. The eyeshadow palette cost me $30. And the Diamond Lights Finisher, this was $25. So I thought it was pretty decent. And look at the eyeshadow palette. I like how this is blended in. So pretty. It's nice and shiny, and I really like the gold lettering. It looks so elegant, so clean, so very pretty. And on the back, it's got the label with the ingredients on it. So it's really clean, very nice. So it does come with a mirror, as you can see here. Very pretty. It's a nice big size mirror. And look at the colors. These are just gorgeous. They're so pretty. So it does have some mattes in there, and I only see 3 shimmers in there, which is this one, that one, and this one here. And the rest are mattes. But I really like the color story layout. It's just so pretty, pastel looking. I mean, perfect for spring or summer. I mean, that's what the trend is, pastels right now. Just so pretty. So let's look at some swatches. So let's look at Epiphany now. This is the Diamond Lights Finisher, and when I saw this, the color is breathtaking. It's just stunning when I saw the swatches. So it's really clean cut, very pretty packaging. I think it's very luxurious looking. Yeah, very pretty. So let's go ahead and open it. So it comes out kind of flaky, as you can see there. It's really pretty though. So let's take a swatch at it. It definitely looks really pretty. It's gorgeous. So my thoughts are you can probably wear this as an eyeshadow topper, or you can also use it as a highlighter right here, or anywhere you want to highlight, maybe even on your collarbone. Let's move on to the eyeshadow look. So I am back with a completed look, and I really do like how this look came out. I mean, the colors definitely are pastel, but you know how some pastels are really light, and you kind of, if you've worked with them before, sometimes you may need to build them, but if you have a good quality eyeshadow palette, you shouldn't have to work that hard to build up the color. Well, with this one, you don't have to work hard to build up the color. The color is already there. It's very beautiful. The formula is very light and airy as well. It really blends out very, very nice. So I'm really liking this palette. Now, as far as the Epiphany Diamond Lights finisher, it's very sparkly, which I love sparkly things. And it looks really nice on the eyelids, I think. And you could also use it as a highlighter like I did here, and it looks beautiful. I think it really finishes up the look very nicely. So yeah, I am really happy with the products. So this is my first time ever buying any of his products, and I will definitely keep an eye out for future products. So would I recommend them? Definitely. Oh my God, definitely. These are good quality products, and you will not be disappointed with the pigmentation. Yeah, you're gonna love these. All right, so thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you in a different video. I had so much fun creating this look and reviewing the product. So I'll see you soon in a different video. Bye.